Unity in diversity, embracing our differences. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and powerful concept, unity in diversity. This phrase is more than just words. It's a principle that celebrates how our unique qualities and differences bring us together. Let's explore why unity and diversity is crucial in our lives and how it strengthens communities and relationships. Unity in diversity is a concept suggesting that harmony and unity can be achieved despite our vast differences. This idea applies to various aspects of life, including culture, religion, and personal beliefs. It emphasizes the importance of accepting and celebrating differences as a source of strength rather than division. Throughout history, many societies have thrived on the principles of unity and diversity. It's a cornerstone for peaceful coexistence in multicultural nations. By understanding and respecting each other's backgrounds, communities can create a vibrant tapestry of cultures, ideas, and traditions that enrich everyone's lives. Embracing diversity brings numerous benefits, including enhanced creativity and innovation. Different perspectives lead to unique solutions and ideas. Increased empathy and understanding. Learning about other cultures and viewpoints fosters empathy and reduces prejudices. Stronger communities. When individuals feel accepted and valued for their differences, it builds stronger, more cohesive communities. Promoting unity and diversity starts with us. Here are a few ways to embrace this principle. Educate yourself about other cultures and perspectives. Practice active listening to understand others better. Engage in open and respectful dialogues about differences. Celebrate multicultural events and traditions to appreciate the richness of various cultures. In conclusion, unity in diversity is a powerful principle that celebrates the strength and beauty of our differences. By embracing this concept, we can build more inclusive, empathetic, and vibrant communities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to appreciate and promote unity and diversity in your own life and community. See you in the next video.